Okay, given this question, use the value of trigonometric function to evaluate indicated functions. So sine of negative t equals 3 over 8. And they need you to find sine of t and cosecant of t. And the second example, which is cosine t equals 4/5, and they need you to find cosine pi minus t and cosine t plus pi. So I want you to know before you start answering this question, the unit circle, this is one of the important items that you should know. If we're given unit circle, you must know that in first quarter all are positive. In second quarter, sign only is positive. And in third quarter, tangent is positive, and in fourth quarter, cosine is positive. I need you to know that. All sine, tangent, cosine. So if you want to represent negative t means you move down. If this is your initial angle here, start from here, and you spend negative in negative direction this way. Okay? So technically you are in fourth quarter. And sine, it must be negative, but they give us sine is positive here. Sine negative t is positive, not negative. So what we should know that you should have an angle more than 180 to be in here. To have positive sine. You got it? To have positive sine, we must spin more than 180 degrees to form the angle. So our angle, it must be in this quarter, to be a positive. So sine of t in this quarter, it will be in here, it will be negative 3 over t. But it's in here will be positive 3 over t, of course. And cosecant, all you have to do is just reciprocal, because cosecant is the inverse of sine. So inverse negative 3 over 8 will be negative 8 over 3. And in here will be positive 8 over 3 for cosecant. Cosecant t. The second question that we have, find cosine, giving cosine t equals 4 over 5. Find cosine pi minus t and cosine t plus pi. Okay, look. In the unit circle, it's not perfect circle. Anyway, it shows us if we come to over here, that means it's pi minus t. And here, second quarter will be pi minus t. If we spin more than pi over here, so the angle will rotate more than pi, it will be in here. It will be t plus pi or pi plus t. It's in third. We're going to know it's in third. So pi plus 3, it's in third. And pi minus t, it's in second. Pi minus t in second. And t plus pi in third. And extra information. This is our t, essential t. Let's do it more beautiful. T. It's in here. If you spin full circle minus t, that means 2 pi minus t. So t, pi minus t, pi minus t, and this is pi plus t, and this is 2 pi minus t. The given example, cosine t equals 4/5. We need to find cosine pi minus t. Cosine pi minus t, as we know, it's in second, and cosine in second is negative or positive? Negative. Only sine is positive. So it will be negative equals negative cosine t. It will be negative, the value of cosine t is 4/5. That's your answer should be. The second part, cosine t plus pi, it's in third, in here. And cosine pi plus t, or t plus pi, it would be in third, and cosine over here is negative. Cosine positive only in fourth, but we are in third quarter. In third quarter, cosine is negative. So this will be negative cosine t. The same as negative, and the value of cosine t, it's given, and it's 4/5. The answer here is negative 4/5. Negative 4/5.